The line departure warning system is a system incorporated into the vehicle that advises the driver when you are leaving the path. So if you are distracted, if the driver is sleeping, there will be a signal who awake the driver and can correct the trajectory of the vehicle. This is a totally new system. The vehicle is equipped with a kind of radar. It detects an obstacle in front of the vehicle. If the driver reacts, the system is not activated. But in the case that the driver, for one or another reason, is not acting or reacting against this obstacle, the vehicle sends first signals to the driver. And depending on the speed of the vehicle and the braking capacity of the vehicle, begins to activate the brakes in order to mitigate or even avoid the crash. This is very important to have this system, because they can save as much as 5,000 lives per year only in the European Union. The current regulation covers frontal and real impacts, and the most important thing of this regulation is that it covers lateral impacts. So the child is also protected from a lateral impact. This was not the case until now. Another important improvement of this regulation is that today a 9-month-old child can be put forward, the movement of the car. Now it's necessary to wait till 15 months. In that case, the child is better protected in the case of a frontal or rear impact. Following the legal procedures of the United Nations, we expect that the 3 regulations will enter into force by the middle of the next year.